In this video, I'm going to show you the way of removing your Facebook Messenger group chat. If you have created a group or if you are the admin of the group and you're trying to delete the group entirely, in this video, let me show you how it's done. You can only delete or remove a group if you are the creator or the admin. So firstly, open up your Messenger app and then open up the group chat that you want to remove or delete. Now there is no straight option of deleting a group. In the case of Messenger, what you need to do is remove each and every person that is in the group and leave the group for yourself as well. If you do, only then the group will be deleted. So for this, you'll need to tap on the eye icon on the top right and tap on see members. This way you would be able to view all of the members that are in this group. Now what you'll need to do is tap open each and every person, and here you'll see an option called remove from group chat. So you'll need to remove individual people manually, and once that is done, you'll need to leave the group for yourself by tapping on your name like this and tap on leave conversation. This way the group will be entirely removed and no one can access it anymore. That means the group will be permanently deleted. So that's the thing that you'll need to do, and there is no straight option of deleting a group if there are still members in it. So that was the easy video on how to remove Facebook Messenger group chat. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. I'm going to be back with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.